There's one consistent piece of advice I give all clients I work with or anyone who comes across my videos and asks the question, how can I make my videos more engaging? And that response is adding B-roll. This is something that you can do very quickly using CapCut, the free version, and on your mobile device. Let me show you. Open up CapCut on your phone. I've imported this video and now I want to add an overlay. You would find the spot in your video that you'd want to do that. At the bottom, the fourth from the left, there's an option called overlay. You want to tap that and then again tap add overlay. It opens up and defaults to your camera roll, but if you want to see what's available in the CapCut library, they have all kinds of different options in here. I'm just going to go ahead and add something from my camera roll. Now when I've added this, you can see at the top up here, the video is added over top. When I play it, your playback speed is actually affecting your average watch time. You can still hear my video in the background, but you can also hear the noise that's coming in from the overlay. Let's go ahead and fix the overlay first. And I'm just tapping it and then expanding it with both fingers. So you can, now I'm going to tap it at the bottom, make sure that it's selected. You can see it's got the white bars around it. The second option from the bottom, or I should say the bottom second option from the left is volume. Tap volume. And then what you want to do, and make sure you have the layer that's selected, the overlay, that you do not want the sound. And you want to move that down to 0 and then hit the check mark. Okay, now you can't hear that backup noise that was on there before. It was kind of like a scratching noise. Now you only hear me in the background. Now, if I did want to not have this take up the entire screen, then I can simply just, sometimes you'll see people who, point to a video, then you can very easily just have it in a short or small window, and you can see it playing at the same time. Okay, so if you want to see the person who's talking, like you, then it'll work. So what'd you think? Was it pretty easy? And more importantly, are you going to start using this? Let me know in the comments. And while you're here, don't forget to hit subscribe.